All right. Hi, guys.
We're at the North Pole. Sarah, good luck finding your dad. She's going to the big city. No.
Guys, we are at Santa's Sewing Shop. I don't know if you've seen this cutie shop out here. It's the green and white one right here on Main Street. But come and take a look with us.
It's a good show. It's new as of like 2 years ago.
Yep, and it's all Christmas inside. And so there's a lot of Christmas fabric and anything to do
Wait, and guess why we're here? Today, halfway to Christmas.
Oh,
did you know that?
That's true.
Halfway to Christmas, you guys. Ah, here we go. All right, come on
close.
We got these things. We got those things. We got these things. We got these things. These are cute. Those are good. Those are fun. These are cute. Look at a little Santa. Look at a little plate.
Oh, yeah.
Look at a little napkin. Look at a little plate. Look at a little house. Look at a little village. Look at a little thing. We got so much stuff here. So much.
The only 3 108s that I have here are those 3 bright. They're on that front.
You think of this? White fabric? No. It's got stuff on it.
It's called white on white fabric, Al. It's really cute. It's little snowflakes. It's actually really darling.
Look at this. White on white.
That's cute.
Wowie.
The hometown stuff. And they're getting more of that in too.
We're going to ask you the same question.
The same question.
Show us the new stuff you got in.
I've got the new stuff. Come this way. Hot in today.
Ooh.
We have this amazing snowing greetings.
Oh,
We
look
have
at the
gotten-
trucks. That's
yes,
so cute.
we
And
got
the barn.
Trucks, the barns. We have gotten some
Ooh.
amazing border prints in. Lots
Cute.
of fun.
Oh, and look at
fun,
these
fun, fun.
trees.
This comes to us from Lumen Fabrics.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
Lumen. We were just talking about this. Lumen
Yes.
are the same guys that did Island
Presents.
Boutiques.
Yes.
So
This is their cotton.
cute.
And this
brand.
is, you'll see it as white out on the website as well. That's our Lumen. This is a new Northcott. It is Barnyard Christmas.
That's so cute.
Another fun
Oh.
border print.
And we've been seeing so many fun things to do with those
Yes.
borders if you get them and then
It-
you cut
Fun
them.
story.
and-
When we would sing, what was the donkey song, Sarah? You were always the donkey in this Christmas song.
Oh,
Yeah.
my.
I said the donkey,
Yeah.
all shaggy. And Sarah was a donkey, so that's a fun fact.
Fun fact
Yeah.
of the donkey.
Yeah. Thanks, Al.
Forget
So
about that
those
one.
are two.
I
Let's
did.
move on
35
down.
years later.
35 years later, they are
Yeah.
coming around again.
All right, what
Oh,
else?
my.
All right, on down here, we have this beautiful
Ooh,
wintry cabiny.
that's pretty.
Hearth and Home line.
Oh.
Is this part of it?
It is not, but look how
Oh,
amazing
it goes so well.
goes with it.
Look at how cute.
And we love
Yeah.
Anna Maria Horner.
Then we've got
Oh.
Anne Marie Horner and all the brightness and cuteness.
I love
fun
Anna Maria.
bows.
Look how fun that one is.
Fun
Oh, that's cute. Look at this Christmas
farmstead
print.
print.
And then all of these too. So
And
like the
great
they call it
geometrics.
the cheater.
Yes.
It's really cute.
Really, really cute.
How
bright.
fun! Because honestly, even if it's not Christmas, this can go
That
in
could go
so many
anytime.
projects.
Anytime.
But really fun with
And
Christmas because it's
look
so
at
bright.
this.
Look at that poinsettia.
I love that you finally-
That's
you finally
so
got your stuff.
pretty.
She's been waiting.
Yeah,
She's been
no,
waiting
she just
for the
told
Christmas
us actually
shipment.
right when we got
Because
in.
Christmas only gets fabric in 1 month out of the year.
Yeah.
Yep.
And so you guys are getting a bunch
Santa has come to the Santa shop.
though. Yes.
So on down, let's see. We've got more
Oh.
prints coming, I know.
This is all flannel, but we are getting more, she said. That's exciting. Yeah.
This lovely, beautiful poinsettia radiance is also another Lumen line.
How many did you say?
I
43
got
new line?
43 coming by the middle of July.
That's awesome.
Another fun
Cute.
border print. Got words, got stripes,
Yeah.
got blenders. Then we have this beautiful shimmer line by Northcott that just came in as well.
Awesome.
So we know we have lots more to come, but we're excited for new.
Yay.
Nobody
All
loves
right.
Christmas like
Thank you
Julie
so
loves Christmas.
much.
That's why I'm here.
That's
yes.
right.
Thank you so much for sharing all that
Have
with
fun.
us.
Come see us.
All right, that's
Yeah.
halfway point. If you're thinking maybe you have somebody that you should give a gift to,
Well, and it's a good time to start working.
Listen, a lot of us,
thinking on
maybe
projects.
maybe we don't have it.
You're such a brat.
We've loved people all our lives, and now we're like, we're done. But if
don't
you
be
still
like
love them.
Alan, because he doesn't start his Christmas projects till December 17th.
Yeah, but I made an amazing quilt, and it turned out awesome.
Okay. I'm just
I
kidding.
should have done it for everybody.
But honestly, start early, plan early. It's fun.
Here's your Christmas in July.
Yeah, lots of cute stuff. Okay, what else do we have for today? We were going to talk about the app. Do you have any new updates on that?
Yeah, we got some cool stuff in the app. So I'm putting some quilting calculators. You'll get an update in the next couple of weeks. Quilting calculators in the app. We got some tools there.
So is that calculate fabric or is that
So like quilt planners, border calculators,
that's
sashing
nice.
calculators.
Okay.
I'm making this many blocks. How much fabric do I need? That's all now like a tool section under the account.
And that's right in the app.
It's in the app. I'm just pushing it today. It'll probably be like out in a week. But then we also have a bunch of deals exclusive to the app. Sarah and I have been stewing on perhaps a live show in the app here and there. We got some video stuff we're working on and a bunch of cool things that we're bringing up in there. So our goal is like if you have the app, we want it to be we want you to get a lot out of it.
Yeah,
and so,
we want it to be intuitive. We want it to be helpful. We don't want it to just be another thing that dings on your phone.
Yeah.
We want it to be something that like matters.
You get tutorials in there.
Yeah.
You get the daily deal in there.
You can get block on there.
All your shipping stuff. Like it's easy to build your bundle and do all that stuff.
We want it to be really user friendly. So if you have feedback, give us that. Like help us.
I'm watching.
With all
I'm building.
of that. Yeah.
So if you have ideas, throw them in there. But like in terms of deals and value for you, being in the app, tons of it. So go check it out.
Yeah. If you're not signed up, sign up for it.
It's taken us a minute to get to like where I think it's better than the mobile web experience, and we're there now. But like for a while, there was stuff that wasn't quite there, and so we had, thankfully, we had a bunch of faithful users that kept helping me figure it out and get there. But we've been building like crazy. It's working great. It's doing a good job, and a bunch of good value and deals coming in there. So
that's awesome.
That's
I'm
the app.
excited to see all the updates you guys are doing because I know he's been working it.
We've been killing it. Yeah, it's really exciting.
Yeah.
What else? What else is cool that we're doing?
I don't know. Like we're just we have talked about the new shops we've gotten open. So we've gotten the stitchery open. You'll have to check that out. I know.
Machine Shed turned into all sewing machine shed.
Moved across the street and it's all machines. It's really cool. We'll show
Where
you
the
that
machine
sometime.
shed is now Quilters Hardware.
Yep.
So proper hardware shop for quilters.
So we'll have to show them to those things too. But those are fun.
Yeah.
Like if you're coming to town, just a little bit, some new things to see.
Yep.
Yeah.
Missouri
MSA
Star Academy
was awesome.
Yeah, it turned out great.
Really good week with everybody.
Good turnout. It was
really
very stormy that morning. My house we got a lightning strike.
Yeah.
Turns out insurance has a deductible and it's better just fix all your stuff. But who knew? I've never had a lightning strike on the house.
Yeah, that was scary.
I literally I pulled out my car to go to work and I saw lightning like hit a fence post and I just pulled right back in. It was like,
you're like, I'm not going anywhere.
We're staying here for a minute. Sometimes in Missouri you just don't want to drive. But that was MSA morning, and then like 9 o'clock it cleared up. And
Then it was fine.
People had a blast.
That was a really good week.
Trying to think, anything else wild in the last month, in the last couple weeks?
I feel like everything's been wild. Mom's going to be home soon, and so just kind of getting ready for that. We're so excited.
It's fun to talk to her right now because she's very she's going to miss these. This has been her home for 2 years. Her people, her friends, her routine. Dad's been working out every day, dude. Dad's looking buff. Bro, for a 90-year-old man, how old is Dad? 70?
Dad is not 90.
He's looking buff, dude. I was like, I got to pick up my game, old man. Look at this guy. He's working out every day. He's been there, which is fun. But they're in such a good routine with all that stuff. It's been really cool.
Yeah.
But they're so excited to come home.
Yeah.
Come see the kids.
Fun summer plans and hanging out with them. It's gonna be good.
Gonna be wild. All right.
Yeah. Well, you guys have a good week.
Next Tuesday.
Yeah. See ya. Have a good week.